Hi, I'm Eric Kern with the Lenovo Professional Services. I'm a senior principal consultant, and what I do is a cloud assessment for customers. One of the things I want to take you through is a use case, a very interesting use case. It's called a video-based inventory system. And so these systems typically start with a customer wanting a particular location. It may be in their manufacturing facility, which is the example that we have in Whitsett, North Carolina, where they have a particular squared off area where they have inventory. Let's just say it's racks of equipment. It may be a number of different elements, maybe different configurations. What we do is we develop a video system. So we take video and we add the video cameras in strategic locations where we can see all of the inventory. So there's no areas where there's a gap in the view. There's no gaps in what can be seen there, so we can see maybe even down aisles like this if you need additional video systems. And think about the inventory. So let's just think about a box, like a typical box of equipment. Now this box is going to have a label on this box, and it's going to have potentially a QR code, maybe some description. There may be an additional label on the top of it, again with a QR code. What we do is we look at each box racked up into this solution, into this infrastructure from this video system. We then build out an edge system or an edge server. These edge servers, they kind of vary in size, but they're typically about the size of a laptop, maybe a little bit thicker. They're ruggedized, they're designed for processing at the edge, and then we send the video feed into these. And then what we do is we often have like a PCIe card in this edge processor, and it may do some kind of edge processing for video. In this particular instance, I put an Intel-based Movidius PCIe adapter running software on it, and what the software is really doing is it's looking at the overall video system from a stream, and it's picking out the important information. In this particular case, the important information is the label, the QR code, the barcode. Now we take that information and it's sent into the cloud, into say like Azure Public. So here's Azure in our hybrid cloud solution. In Azure, we're going to have basically a big video database, our video storage area. Now this video storage area is getting the relevant information associated with this inventory system. In here, we're also going to be leveraging cognitive services from Microsoft, from Azure. And these cognitive services, they're really going through this barcode, and they're determining things like, what's the serial number? What's the machine type? What kind of inventory is it? What's the description? A number of different elements associated with this, and it's going into an inventory system, probably an SAP-based inventory system. Now what this allows us to do is just by looking at it from a camera perspective, we can determine all of the different elements into here. Maybe it's a box of processors. Maybe there's 32 processors in the system. That's all getting stored automatically. Now, adding and subtracting is real simple as well with the system. Let's just say we have a person coming over, and they're going to come over, right? And they have a badge, and they have a box in their hand, and the box looks sort of like this. With the system, they're going to add it. So they're going to add it into that system. What we can do is we can go scan the individual with these same cameras, send it through this system to process them. So we know all the different employees that can be associated with this system. We can scan their badge, so we know exactly who it is. We know what they're adding, so they're adding this box. Or if they're taking away inventory, we know that they're taking it away. So we can go into the inventory system automatically. We can add a little nomenclature saying, Eric Kern just added a box of processors and subtracted a box of memory. So it's very interesting, very automatic. And this is one of the examples that we use. Nice example for a video-based inventory system. To learn more about Lenovo's cloud solutions, visit our website or ask your Lenovo sales representative or business partner about a cloud assessment, design, and migration to accelerate your journey to the cloud. Stay tuned for our next episode.